What's up? Welcome to another video, another valuable video. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how simple it is to just calculate your pips. Alright, so it's really simple. Head over to the MT platforms, MT4, MT5, they basically work the same way. And what I want you to do is to tap on the navigator icon that looks like a plus. Right, it's gonna be found in the bottom of the taskbar, and if you're using landscape, it's going to be on your sort of like center right. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, I'm trying to pick a position where my resistance is or where the market is going. So you can see right there, you just need to go to that position and hold that position with one thumb or one finger, whatever, and then drag it all the way to the point where the market is at that point. So as you can see right there, I'm at 165 pips. So as you can see, the market has moved from that position that you're looking at to this new position, by 165 pips. And that's really simple. So what you got to do is you just need to calculate that with the position that you open the market from, which if that was the market, that means from where I was, if I was doing a sell or a low, I would have earned, or the market would have moved in my advantage for 165 pips. So what you're going to do is you just multiply that by the number of lots that you've bought, if it's 0.01 or 0.1 or whatever. Right, so when you multiply that, it's going to tell you that the market has moved this amount of money, and that's the amount of money that you have made. So it's pretty easy, guys. I'm going to be showing you using a calculator just how simple it is and why you need to be doing this often enough. So guys, I'm gonna be doing this right now, and we're gonna see. This is what I'm talking about. You can see it's really simple and just straightforward. So you're gonna take the number of lots that you've bought. For me, it's 0.01. Okay, and then you're gonna multiply that by the number of pips, and that will give you the amount of money that you made or that you've lost. Okay, so it's just very simple. Take the number of lots, okay, that you bought or sold, and then multiply that by the number of pips. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, man. Let's grow this channel together, and I'll be making more videos, man. Till next time.